What is good, guys? Nate Ryder here. Today we're going to be ceramic coating my car, but before we do so, I just want to go ahead and check out today because today is absolutely a beautiful day. The palm trees are out, the sun is out, the birds are chirping. It's just such a beautiful, beautiful day. I mean, it is about to be summertime and you want your paint to be absolutely miraculous. And boys, that's exactly what we're going to do today. Well, let me go ahead and show you guys. That is the results. That is what we're gonna do today. Absolutely crazy. It is a mirror-like finish here. And you guys can just see the palm trees. We are going to show you how you can simply do this at your house, super cheap. You do not even have to take this to a shop, spend hundreds of dollars, even thousands to get your paint looking like mine. Easy step process. Let's get into the video right now. What is good, riders? Today we're back with one of the most highly requested videos of all time. One of the top, definitely on my channel, ceramic coating my ride. You know why? You know why this is one of the most highly requested? Because all of the riders that have subscribed to this channel has the best looking cars, hands down. I see your guys' cars on Instagram all the time on these submissions for Rate My Subscribers cars, which is going to be the next video. Make sure you subscribe, like down for that. And I'll go ahead and show some examples right now to show that I am not lying, that you guys have the best looking cars out there. And today we're gonna make them looking even more better. For all the new subscribers that have been subscribed to my channel since the last time we've done the ceramic coating, we have generated over 50,000 subscribers since the last ceramic coating video when we had my 2014 Shelby GT500 murdered out, stock at 850 rear horsepower. Ever since then, we've come so far. We have the Nardo Grey wrap from Vvivid Vynals. Today we're going to take it up another level again with the Avalon King ceramic. We have so much. Honestly, Avalon King takes care of their customers so much that they've hooked me up with so many boxes. I think I kind of want to do a giveaway. So if you want to be qualified for a free giveaway, which I'm going to be ceramic coating your full ride, well, not personally me, but I'm going to send you out what needs to be done, sealed and ready to go to seal your guys' ride. And in order to qualify, you have to be a subscriber for the channel. First and foremost, you have to like the video down below, comment down below. That's all you have to do. You could comment literally whatever, and then I'm gonna give this a week and I'm going to choose a winner for the Avalon King Ceramic Pro. So that's just something to go ahead and look forward to. You don't need to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars. As a matter of fact, I have a coupon code to help you out right here, $25 off. You can literally ceramic coat your full car for under $100. Again, use the code down below, save yourself some money. I really appreciate it. So many guys have asked me, hey, can you ceramic coat a wrap? You could ceramic coat anything, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the results once again because I want nothing but the best for my Shelby GT500 wrap. The Nardo Grey wrap from Vvivid Vynals, another DIY wrap. And a lot of you guys are wondering, hey Nate, how do you do all this stuff? Where do you get the money? I get the money because I do it myself. This is a do-it-yourself kit from Avalon King. It's honestly so easy. Stay tuned for the end of this video when I show you how to apply this ceramic. Literally 2 steps: wash, alcohol, apply. It's the easiest thing. But stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to install it basically. But before we get into, I want to show you guys the results. So I have a cup of water here and I have the ceramic coated right here. You can't really tell because it is invisible. It's basically liquid glass, but check this out. Check this out. Look at this. Look at that. Somebody come look at this. Can you please just see the results? Like, I don't even have to say anything about this. It doesn't even look like water was on there. That is absolutely insane. There's not a lot of things that Miley is scared of. She's not scared of any Hellcats, any Supras, any Corvettes, but the one thing that she is afraid of is water and anything that it touches her paint, because she is just so hydrophobic. It is incredible, especially with the help of the Avalon King ceramic. Partially in the sun, partially in the shade. Let's go and check out how clean and how reflective this thing is. Look at the palm trees. It's literally a mirror. All right, now it's time for the fun part. We are going to do the extreme recipe. I'm just going to get a bucket and throw a whole bunch of stuff that can come at the car at any time, like dust, rocks. We'll go ahead and just throw some random items in there too. So I still have my bucket of dirty water that I did. So this is filthy water here that I did when I was washing the car. I kept it for this purpose only. Let's go ahead and see what we could do here in ingredients. I'm just gonna go ahead and search around just basically anything here, honestly. Let's go ahead and really take it to the next level. Let's go ahead and put some spray paint. Put some spray paint in there. You know, just in case somebody gets mad at you and spray paints your car, spray paint comes right off of ceramic. All right, I found some dirt here. Let's go ahead and put in some dirt because you literally cannot go anywhere without having dirt riding up your car here. I gotta get it nice and dirty. This is gonna be a recipe. So far we have dirty water, spray paint. We're gonna put some mud here, make it nice and muddy. Let's go get some wood chips now. All right, we got some wood chips. Let's go ahead and get some wood chips and rocks and anything here to really get into that paint. Let's see how well the ceramic coating. Let's mix all that in here. That is just absolutely disgusting. Should we put some sauce in here? I may put some ketchup and mustard. Might as well. Let's just do that right now. Found a lot of tiny rocks. You know when those 16-wheelers come in and they're dropping a whole bunch of stuff on your car? I hate that. So let's go ahead and put it in our mixture. Mix it all up. Let's throw a little ketchup in there. Why not? Let's mix that bad boy up. All right, so I think that mixture is pretty good. We have dirt, we have wood chips, we have little rocks, we have ketchup, we have spray paint. There's really not much. We could get bird poop. I was really trying to find some bird poop. Actually, I think there's some right here. I actually found some bird poop right here. I'm gonna try scraping it off and then just putting it right in. It's just powder, it just becomes powder, whatever. We'll mix that all in there as well. All right, I think that mixture is pretty bad. Let's go ahead and throw it at Miley's rear, completely ceramic coated. Let's wash it off and see the results. We threw the mixture on there, and if you look really close, you can see the rocks and the dirt and all of the nasty stuff we just put on the rear. Now let's go ahead and turn on the hose here and see miracles happen. Like it wasn't even there. That is absolutely insane. All of that ingredients, still nothing but beading. That's all we get. Beads, 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 and that contraption was absolutely disgusting. I just wiped off the rear, and I want you guys to see if there is a single scratch on this wrap. Not a single scratch. And I threw rocks, I threw pebbles, I threw wood chips at it, and not a single scratch on both sides. That is completely immaculate. This ceramic coating is unheard of. I don't know what kind of black magic is inside of these bottles or some type of trickery, but this is definitely next level technology that, well, you guys have seen the results. I don't even really have to say more about it. All right, boys, you guys already know what time it is. The sauce challenge. I got mustard, Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo wing sauce, and ketchup. High acidity, lots of vinegar, and a mixture between the two, high acidity and vinegar as well. We're gonna completely just go hard on Miley's booty right here, and how the sauces affect the ceramic coating on the wrap. Again, this is so cool. Let's go ahead and start off with the ketchup here. That's like it. And now let's go ahead and do the mustard. That's good. And then let's go ahead and do the Sweet Baby Ray's right here. That's more like it. All right, now that we have that, let's go ahead and take our hose here, and now let's see it wash completely off. Like it wasn't even there. Now let's go ahead and move on to the mustard side of things. Like it wasn't even there. And last but certainly not least, all right, so that one didn't come off with a simple just pour over, but let's go ahead and see if we put a little bit of pressure onto it, what happens. Took a little while just needed a high pressure and it's like it wasn't even there. And look at all of this beading. Exactly what we wanted. Let me go ahead and see if I can take most of it off. And look at it just ripple. I'm following you. Where are you going? Right off the car where you belong. So that was the sauce challenge here. Ketchup and mustard had absolutely no chance at all of surviving. The Sweet Baby Ray's did a little bit, but with a higher stream, was able to come off right away. This is probably super, super high in acid, but no matter what, with the higher beam, it came off like nothing. And now Miley's booty still looks better than ever. The ceramic coating is next level. A lot of you guys ask me how I like upkeep the ceramic, because this ceramic is usually good for 3 years if you do it the right way and cure it for the right amount, which I'm gonna go ahead and tell you. One thing I like to go ahead and do in addition to apply additional ceramic, but not actually have to do a full ceramic on the car, is actually get the quick ceramic from Meguiar's. I usually do this after a wash. Basically, you spray this on while the car is still wet, as though you were to do a cling process, and then you just spray it right off. This doesn't do the trick. Do not mistake these products as ceramic. A lot of these people are like, hey, I could ceramic my car with a $10 Meguiar's bottle here, and that's not true. This stuff is just for temporary use, like maybe 2 weeks, it'll do you good. This ceramic is good for 3 years. So if you really want to go ahead and preserve your wrap and just see what it could do for your car, definitely do the actual liquid Avalon King ceramic coating. I just want to go ahead and take this time to see the reflection. This made my wrap look like a gloss car. Like, it was painted this way. That's absolutely insane. Look at, my car was never as glossy. Check out my previous videos and I'll show you guys. My car was never this glossy, and I added that extra shine, that extra authenticity of actual real paint, as though I was to paint my car. So absolutely insane. One of the best things for wraps in particular, in my opinion here. And now we're gonna get into the application. So stay tuned if you wanna learn how to make your paint, your wrap, whatever you want to ceramic. It is honestly a miracle solution here. I don't know how it does it. I still to this day don't know what it does and how it gets the results it is. I just know that I love it for my car. It just makes my paint and makes my wrap look a whole lot better. Make sure you use my coupon code right here, please, if you want $25 off, the biggest discount you could possibly get. Huge shout out to Avalon King Ceramic. I will always have ceramic on my car, and again, the results just prove everything. So hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your day. Stay tuned to see how I apply this bad boy. What's up, boys? Today we're gonna go ahead and show you guys the process of ceramic coating any car here. I have my Shelby GT500. I've ceramic coated before. It's such an easy process, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a secret. It's very easy. It is a night and day difference if you ceramic coat your car. It's very, very simple, boys. You just need your basic soapy water. I have the 2-bucket method, so that whenever you are rinsing your dirty rag, you rinse it there and then you refresh it with some new soap. I did a basic wash, as you guys can see here. We are gonna do the simple method because with my wrap, I don't plan on having it for a long time. I plan on taking it off, and plus this wrap is fairly new, so it does not have any type of debris and dirt really sunken into it as though like old paint would, like this 2001 Ford Excursion, as you guys could see. Just rubbing your finger, it feels like sandpaper. This definitely needs a lot of care. But when you come over to this car and you do the same thing on like a dry, it's pretty smooth. So with new wraps or just cars that are not rough, you could go ahead and do the simple method. In these instruction booklet on the first page, it states the optimal method and the simple method. I personally am going to do the simple method just because, number one, it is not that dirty, doesn't have that many dirt and debris, it's a new wrap, and two, I'm not gonna have this wrap for long, so I'm not gonna do the full process here like you should. Just wash, clay bar, polish, and then wipe it down with alcohol. I'm just going to wash it. After that, we'll just wipe it down with alcohol and then apply the ceramic. All right, so I finally wiped off the hood here, as well as I did the front bumper, as well as the roof of the car. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more, but basically now the next step is just to ensure that everything is dry and smooth. I'm rubbing my finger on top of the hood right now. It is immaculate, very smooth. I don't feel any rough patches, I don't feel any resistance, I don't feel any sand-like paper feeling. It is smooth as a baby's butt. It is as clear as a mirror right now. Now we just need to go ahead and wipe it down one more time with alcohol. So I have my little sprayer right here, which is basically alcohol here. You could go to your nearest store, Walmart, CVS, whatever. Just get alcohol. This is basically what you need, the isopropyl alcohol. This will do the final cleanup before applying the ceramic. Basically, you are going to apply it and then take your microfiber towel and dry it off, and then she'll be ready for the ceramic. All right, boys, and it as easy as that. We did all of the prep that we could possibly do, and look at that mirror-like finish. It is absolutely insane. I still can't believe it. Now we have to seal this in. We're gonna go ahead and protect this by the king and lay the ceramic so it's like this all the time. All right, boys, now it's the time we've always been waiting for, the application, now that we're completely done. So all of these materials come with the kit. You don't need anything else here. We have the sponge with the soft spongy side right here. I don't know if you guys could see, but there is a separation. Make sure you use this side down because it will pad it and spread it evenly. Then you take their cloth, which it does come with about 3 of these. You want to use them sparingly and use them accordingly because you don't want to reuse the same one over and over across the full car. So I'm using a brand new fresh one, and basically we are going to fold it over with our hands like so. Now that we have that, we are going to uncap the ceramic coating. Here we're going to apply droplets very generously across the sponge so that it is very well lathered in ceramic. We want to make sure that the full sponge does get all of the juices onto it, because when we apply it to the car, we want to make sure it's an even spread. And I think we are good right there. We are basically going to take it from this corner and work our way up. So you see that nice glaze going on. We're doing perfect right now. And then just reapply it. I need a little bit more. And do this across the full way. I'm gonna go back with it now. All right. And now I'm just gonna do a little time lapse for you guys, because this is as simple as that. It doesn't get more complicated. We are complete with the hood. I applied the ceramic vertically and then horizontally across the full hood, exactly how we're supposed to do. I let it rest 5 minutes on this beautiful sunny day. And now I'm going to take the microfiber cloth that comes with the kit, buff it in, and then after we just wait for it to cure. So now let me do this really fast here. I'm actually gonna start on this side, and I'm just gonna buff away. That easy, boys. It is super easy. If I could do it, you could do it. Best DIY ceramic coating you could possibly get.